Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So it's getting colder outside, even for Florida. So today I'm going to share with you how I make a favorite in our house, which is potato soup. So warm, so cozy, vegetarian dish. If you're not vegetarian, you could do chicken stock instead of veggie stock if you don't care, but this girl keeps it vegetarian. So let me share with you how to make it in your slow cooker. All right, I have my slow cooker on low, and what I've done right now is added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 yellow onion diced up, half a tablespoon of thyme, and 2 tablespoons of flour, and just mixing this together. And next we're going to add 1 cup of veggie stock. Just getting this to marinate together, get the flavors going. You could do this on the stove, but I'm just gonna do it all in the crock pot so I don't dirty any more dishes. Next, I'm gonna chop up a 3-pound bag of potatoes into 1-inch pieces, if I can do it that small. All right, 1 potato in, the rest to go. Woo, okay, that was an arm workout. So I chopped up my potatoes as small as I could, and now I'm just going to mix it around, and I'm gonna add 4 more cups of veggie stock. All right, friends, I'm gonna mix this up and put the lid on, and then I'm going to let it cook for 4 to 5 hours. And before I do that, I'm gonna actually add in some garlic. You're gonna use 3 cloves of garlic, but I'm gonna use this, and it just tells you how much on the back, so 1 teaspoon. So I'll add 3 teaspoons for it to be 3 cloves of garlic. I'll let this cook.